How to create a highly successful and profitable book publishing business. This mindset shift changed everything. In 2015, I published my first KDP ebook on Amazon. In 2017, I became a registered publisher in the UK with Quirky Books. In 2017, I published my first paperback book. This was for asexuals. In June 2019, I started writing my second paperback book for asexuals. In 2019, I published my second paperback book. This one was about fibromyalgia. Since 2017, I've been making regular monthly income from Amazon KDP. But I'm not in profit. Every bit of money I make goes back into paying for things to build and sustain my brand, such as domains, web hosting, faster broadband, paper to print out books, and a typesetter. If you're experiencing this too, what I'm about to share with you can really help you. Considering many self-published authors don't sell more than 250 copies of their book in its lifetime, if you're getting repeat monthly income, you are a successful published author. And all you need to do is rinse and repeat. Keep writing more books, keep improving your writing and editing skills, keep marketing your books to your intended audience, and do this mindset shift I'm about to share with you, because this changed everything for me. On 16th of December 2021, I had an epiphany. I was struggling to understand why I was struggling to sell more books. Something just felt off. Then it hit me. I needed to shift my mindset from I'm an author and writer to I'm an author, writer and owner of a book publishing company, which means I'm also a promoter and a marketer. I realised in the past I hadn't promoted my books enough, especially not during the initial launch. I'd been a bit shy. I hadn't been focused solely on a book publishing business, had been going off on tangents because I lacked self-belief. For years I told myself as a coach to myself, if only I just focused on publishing books for 1 to 2 years and nothing else, just think how my life would change. But every expert told me you can't make a full-time living selling books. It's a side hustle, a promotional tool. But for me, it's not a side hustle. It's my main passion, my joy, and my main life purpose. In November 2021, I bought Ray Edwards' copywriting course, and I only needed to listen to the first few lessons to change my life. I knew I didn't want to work as a copywriter for others, which was the main aim of the course, and the course confirmed this for me. But it also taught me the most valuable lesson of my life to date, about influence, self-belief, and the core foundation of you as a business. Never be influenced by those who say you can't do something. Influence yourself enough to know you can. This was so powerful, like a punch in the gut, but a much needed wake-up call punch in the gut. I looked for evidence that others do make thousands from their own book publishing businesses. But that was just it. They treat it like a business, not a hobby, not a side hustle, and not as an add-on. It's their main focus and their main thing, and they're determined to succeed no matter what. So I gave myself gracious permission to follow my own dreams, take my own coaching advice, and just focus on building my own book publishing business as the main thing for the next 1 to 2 years. I gave myself permission to effectively start over, using the skills, knowledge and experience I have learnt over the years of publishing books on Amazon using KDP, and becoming my own book publishing imprint to build my own book publishing business. And that's what I've now been focused on since December the 16th, 2021. I happen to have currently unconventionally got myself into a financially free position to enable me to do this. Now I'm solely focused on building my own book publishing company and business as my main thing. I'm so much more calmer. I have more clarity than ever before. I'm emotionally in a much better place. I'm far more stable within my emotional self. I believe in myself 100%. I won't let others throw me off track. I'm a lot more secure within myself. I'm far, far happier than ever before. My productivity is shot through the roof. Life is more magical and special than it's ever been because now I'm truly living my own dream on my own terms and heading for a truckload of success and happiness. I now have clarity on what I need to do to sell more books. I need to sell myself more in order to sell more books. In the past, I've been a bit too shy, but that's all about to change. I need to create a unique and eye-catching campaign, one that's sure to grab people's attention and stand out from the crowd. Already got something in mind and partially planned. I need to enlist the help of others to help me gain more traction and get more sales. This is a work in progress and I have some idea of what I want to do and who I want to help me. I need to promote myself more and show up more as the expert in my field and reach a wider audience by getting on at least 100 podcasts. In order to sell more books, I need to get out of my comfort zone and do things I've never done before. I need to remember when I was 15 years old and did work experience in the media and I had no fear. I could do anything I wanted to put myself out there and get what I want. I was fearless and I need to be that fearless self again in order to gain traction in the media and get the desired result I want. I need to be dedicated to getting out of my comfort zone, being in every media outlet imaginable so the world knows who I am and stay strong and confident that I can and will do this. I have the power and inner strength and determination to succeed no matter what, beyond a shadow of a doubt, and I will endeavour with determination to get my books into physical bookstores and do some book signings and giveaway competitions. In order to sell more books, I will be creative. I will be my true authentic self. I will reveal more of my true self, full identity. I will be strong, fully capable and powerful. I will lean into my personal power and cook up a media storm. I will be the best version of me, the powerhouse and inner strength version of me, and I won't let anyone bring me down. So let's go do this now. Correct mindset, implement, plan and execute. It's that simple, but it doesn't mean it's going to be easy. Let's fight like a warrior and have the essence and clarity of a butterfly, gentle with a calm, colourful and positive outlook always. Believe you can achieve greatness and you're halfway there to it being done. And yes, I purposely left out full stops when creating this presentation, all about mindset shift and what it takes to become a truly rich and successful published author with your own book publishing business. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more valuable videos about how you can make money publishing books using Amazon KDP. Subscribe now.